Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with Saturday Morning Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood, and I'll have her link down below. And then our hashtag, which is hashtag two crafters, one design, and it's hosted by myself, Gloria, which is Girliest Cards, and you see why I'm a diva. And you can hit those links to the other ladies down below as well. All right, let's jump right in. So this week we are focusing on cupcakes, and we had to use a cottage cuts cupcake. So, but if you don't have any cottage cuts, make sure you just use a cupcake. Next week's design is jar, so make sure you use any jar. And so here are the cupcakes that I chose this week. I thought those are super cute. From Cards TV Stamps, I'm using Hey Cupcake, as well as Sorry I Missed Your Birthday. And those are mixed messages. That's the Sorry I Missed Your Birthday and Sweet Sayings for the other one. Okay, and then from here, I am using this one right there. And I just snipped off that end of that. And from Sizzix, I am using this one here. I don't know what the name of it is. I don't know. Anyways, using that. And then I'm also using the circle one from Sizzix. Whimsy Stamps. I am using OMG. I'm using the OMG dies. And also from Whimsy Stamps, I'm using Oops. Love those. From Stamp Anything, I'm using these two stars there. And also from Stamp Anything, I'm using this arrow there. Now, I went to work this time. I really did. I created several different cards. I love this set so much. I created 2 of each in that color. And then I also created 2 of each in this color. I love, love, love how they turned out. It doesn't just pack a punch. Love that. Anyway, so let's start out with this one. Sorry I Missed Your Birthday, which is from Cards TV Stamps. There goes that oops. The cupcake, love the colors I chose. And then, if you can tell, I also did a little bit of ink splatter in the background. I forgot to grab that star embossing folder. And I want to almost say that came from Heidi, maybe? I can't remember. And then there goes the inside of the card for that one. And then for this one, and I think I forgot to get a stamp set. Let me grab that real quick for that. On the inside of the OMG, I used It's Your Birthday, and that's from Echo Park. And it's Your Birthday stamp. So that's what I'm using in the inside of that one. And let me show you that a little bit more up close. And like I said, I snipped off the end of that that one die once I cut it out and just backed it up with black. Love, love, love this. And here goes the inside of that. And so the red and black ones, red, white, and black are the same way. Still with the ink splatter, the star embossing folder, and then Sorry I Missed Your Birthday. There goes the inside. And then OMG, Hey Cupcake, It's Your Birthday. I love, love, love these. Now, I thought about making a box so I could have them as a set and maybe give them away. I don't know. But love those. And then, of course, I have birthday cards for myself if I choose to keep them to hand them out. All right, so that's all I have for you. Make sure you use all those links down below to take you to all of the ladies' channels and use those hashtags. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.